Hi, this is Greg Lowe. This is another video in the SDU Tools series. This is on working with operating system versions and configuration. SQL Server knows quite a bit about the operating system that it's running on, but many of the values that come back from it are not immediately obvious. So we've built some tools to make that a little easier to work with. So the first is called operating system versions. Let's take a look at that one. What that returns is a list of operating system family. We've only done Windows at this stage, but we will enhance that in the future. The version of the operating system and then the name. Now notice that there can be the same name for a number of operating systems. So for example, Windows 6.1 is either Windows 7 or Windows Server 2008 R2. Right, now another one that's often confusing are locales. So you'll see things like 1033 and so on. You think, well, where does that come from? And so we've built a list of those as well. And so if I look at operating system locales, this again will return for the operating system family a locale ID, what the language is. So for example, if we head down and look at 1033, where are we? Here. This is the one that we'll all commonly recognize as English. All right. Now, apart from that, there are operating system SKUs. This is different ways that the operating system is configured and shipped. So let's have a look at those. And so I've listed at the beginning an unknown one, but if you look down through the list, then basically the SKUs, so Windows SKU 12 was actually Server Data Center if installed as Windows Core, Server Core. And similarly, let's go down to the bottom of these somewhere. Windows SKU 49 is Windows 10 Pro N, where 48 is Windows 10 Pro. All right, so once we have those in place, what we can then do is look at the operating system configuration for our current operating system. So if I execute that, that tells me that I'm running on operating system release 10, which is Windows 10 or Windows Server 2016. It's the release level, not service packed. Although with these later ones, the understanding is that there probably won't be service packs anymore anyway. The operating system SKU is 48, which is Windows 10 Pro, and that also maps to the language English. Look, we hope you find these tools useful. For more information on SDU Tools, and for a link to download them, please visit our site at sqldownunder.com.